Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Matt, and today I wanted to do a super simple video for you guys, but also one that I think a lot of you may find interesting. Today I'm gonna go to a Japanese 7-Eleven, and if you're familiar with 7-Eleven in America, you know that they're known for things like big gulps, soggy hot dogs, and junk food. But I assure you that that is not the case here in Japan. 7-Eleven actually has a great reputation as one of the largest convenience stores in all of Japan, and they sell all kinds of high quality foods and drinks that anyone can just stop in and grab. It makes it very convenient for people. They are all over Japan and a lot of people love them. So I wanted to show you firsthand the differences of what a Japanese 7-Eleven actually looks like. So I'm gonna ride my bike there. That's my main source of transportation right now. We're gonna go check it out. We're gonna maybe get some food, some drinks, just show you guys how similar yet how different it really is. So guys, they have Band-Aids, hair care stuff. This is toothbrushes, toothpaste. They actually have your little electronics, anime, and they have magazines. And actually they sell, normally they have adult magazines, so that's kind of fun, but all the convenience stores here have them. And then here's the drink selection. So I'm gonna get a shikwasa drink. This is kind of an Okinawan thing, but I really like them. Shikwasa is a fruit that you don't see everywhere. Desserts, you can get lunch meats here. And then this is the stuff I came here for. So sandwiches. They have sobas, noodles, ramen, little bento type boxes here. These are onigiris, very popular in Japan. They're only like $1. And they're just like rice-filled. They're like rice-filled stuff with like meats and sauces and stuff. It's pretty cool. It's really good actually. I might get some. So instead of potato chips, they have stuff like this. These are veggie sticks, and they're actually really good. They have like a corn one and an edamame one. It's cheese sticks. It's really good. Miso soups and the quick ramens and stuff. This is yakisoba, which is really good. Oh, and poki, or paki in America. You know those. I don't think 7-Eleven has those. And these are all the Japanese snacks, which I might get some of these too, actually. I think I will get these chocolate puffs. They're only 100 yen. We have cakes and cookies. More candies here. Here's bakery stuff. You could actually buy curry, 7-Eleven curry. Oh, they have teas. They have teas and drinks. And here's mineral water and beer. So guys, I ended up getting a sandwich, but it's an egg pork cutlet sandwich. It's really good, very different. It's like, you ever had katsudon or something? It's inside a sandwich. And then I got the shikwasa soda. So let's eat. So guys, that was it for our 7-Eleven adventure. I think I probably have chocolate in my teeth now, but I'm eating these chocolate puffs. They are amazing. Let me take one out. They're like little disc, air, fluffy chocolate things, and they're really good. Anyway guys, if you want to learn more about Japan or you're super interested in Japanese culture and you want to see what's interesting from an American's perspective, go ahead and subscribe. Really helps me out with the YouTube algorithms and such. Like the video too. Anyway guys, that's it. Thanks so much. I don't know what I'm doing now. I guess I'll just ride that way, see what happens. So, see you in the next video.